Hi, I'm Dr. Clark and this is Dr. Walton, and we're here with Fremont Spine and Wellness. We wanted to go over something that we get asked about a lot, and that is, can we help with headaches? There are a lot of different reasons why headaches may be occurring, but something that we see really commonly in our practice are tension headaches. Now, tension headaches, they can be due to a multitude of different things. Some common things that we see is old injuries from when we were kids, working on a computer for long periods of time, car accidents. All of these stresses really start to have an effect on the spine and can also have an effect on how the nerves are functioning in our body.
For sure. So I'll show you kind of, really what this starts to do here. The nerves that go up into the head and the neck, they come from the middle and the upper part of the neck there. So whenever, we're experiencing pain in that area or a headache or tension, the nerve in that area is inflamed and your body's really asking for help. Right, so these old injuries that come up, or sports, or things that we might not even relate it to, over time, and as we, as time goes on, that chronic stress continues to build up, and what we find is the more stress that you have on that area, the more symptoms you may experience, like a headache or like that stress and tension in that area.
Yeah, and what we will hear too, or what we see is that as this stress is on these nerves in the neck, your energy level can really start to be affected. Your ability to concentrate for long periods of time, your overall function and overall health can really start to be affected in a very negative way because the stress on the body is present.
That's right. So, with chiropractic, adjustments can be really effective to get movement into that area, to really help to take stress off that area. But what we find is, sometimes that can only be like a short-term relief, right? Like it might feel good for a little bit, but then we find it comes back. And again, as time goes on, it typically gets worse, right? So what we find is, the way that we approach this is we really do a postural and a structural analysis. So we do have to look at the alignment of the spine, relative to where it should be for you. And then if it's outside of those normal limits, that area is taking on more stress than it really should be. And again, that extra stress causes that inflammation of those nerves there. So, beyond adjustments, there are things that we do that really help to restore that proper structure so that you get that long-term benefit, right? We're not just chasing pain, we're actually working on fixing the problem.
Yeah, which is so important, especially in allowing you to really achieve your optimal health and live a life that you deserve to live pain-free.
That's right.